melody, and it's called Like Two Sparrows in a Hurricane, and I hope you like my version of it. She's 15, and he's barely driving a car. She's got his ring, and he's got the key to her heart. It's just a matter of time. They'll spread their wings and fly like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way with a head full of dreams, faith that can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The word says they'll never make it, love says they will. There's a baby crying, one more on the way. There's a wolf at the door with a big sack of bills they can't pay. The clouds are dark and the wind is high. They can see the other side, like two sparrows in a hurricane, trying to find their way with a head full of dreams and faith that can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, love said they will. She's 83, and he's barely driving a car. She's got his ring, he's got the key to her heart. It's just a matter of time. They'll spread their wings and fly like two shadows in a hurricane, trying to find their way with a head full of dreams and faith that can move anything. They've heard it's all uphill, but all they know is how they feel. The world says they'll never make it, love says they will. Hope you like it, Amanda. I love you, girl.